Cops still trying to ID a woman found dead in St. James over 2 months. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. Detectives assigned to the St. James Police Division are seeking the public's assistance in locating the relative of a woman that was killed on Jimmy Cliff Boulevard in Montego Bay, St. James in the parish on Friday, July 28th. The body is of dark complexion, same build and about 168 centimeters or 5 feet 6 inches tall. It was clad in a white blouse, multicolored skirt, and barefooted. Reports are that sometime around 12:10 a.m., citizens stumbled on the body of the woman and summoned the police. On their arrival, the woman was found on the side of the road with stab wounds to her back. The scene was processed and the body removed to the morgue pending postmortem examination. The relatives or anyone who may be able to locate the relative of this woman is being asked to contact the Montego Bay CIB at 876-953-6191, the police 119 emergency number or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.